Speak to Hans von Spakovsky, manager of the Election Law Reform Initiative in Washington, D.C. Hans, good to have you with us. I know you've said before all along that the case against Donald Trump for impeachment was never proved. Do you think it might have been different if the Senate trial had heard from new witnesses?
No, I don't think so, because even if what Democrats claim happened actually happened, that is not an impeachable offense. There was no violation of federal law. There was no illegal activity. And that is not the kind of serious misconduct that the framers of our Constitution considered should be used to remove a president.
Do you think the Democrats gained anything from this trial? Did they, at the very least, succeed in raising questions about the integrity of the behavior of the President of the United States?
Look, I don't really think so. You know, one of the things that came out during this trial was all of the prior instances of prior precedents putting conditions on foreign aid going out to other countries. So I don't think they really were able to somehow establish that this president did anything unusual. Also, the polling shows that the president now, after this impeachment, his popularity rating is the highest it has ever been since the beginning of his presidency. That's pretty good proof that the American people, the public, don't think that the Democrats had a legitimate case against the president.
We are just hearing that Utah Senator Mitt Romney, who was, of course, the Republicans' 2012 presidential nominee, is saying that he will vote to convict President Trump. Probably he's going to be the only Republican in Senate to break ranks. But he says he believes Trump is guilty of, quote, an appalling abuse of public trust. What do you make of that?
Well, it's been very clear since Mitt Romney became the senator from Utah that he holds great personal animus against the president. He has expressed that on numerous occasions, and unfortunately, I think his voting to impeach the president here is a sign of that, the fact that he personally so dislikes the president, as opposed to an objective review of the evidence. And I have no doubt that he's going to get strong opposition in his home state in his next election if he votes this way.
Good to speak with you, Hans. Thank you very much indeed for that. Hans von Spakovsky in Washington, D.C. there.